Guys, hello. So, I'm actually feeling a bit better now compared last week na I almost lost my voice. Actually, medyo meron pa rin ngayon but manageable naman. And because I was feeling lazy the whole week and lagi lang akong nasa kama, I feel so unproductive. And it frustrates me a lot. I also struggle with discipline and motivation. Most of the time kasi, I do things out of motivation with random bursts of energy. Like, for example, mas gusto kong gawin yung isang bagay pag gusto ko lang. But, if wala akong motivation or hindi ko trip, I leave it alone, which is very unhealthy, I think. Meron kasi akong nabasa dati na discipline is greater than motivation, which I think is very true. Kasi pag motivation lang, you do things out of random bursts of energy. Kung kailan ka lang motivated or kung kailan ka lang interested about it. It is not consistent and parang nawawala din siya in due time. Where compared to discipline, if you are disciplined, you do things every day, bit by bit, small bits, but it grows into a big chunk of knowledge that you will be able to remember for a long time. So, ayun. I really struggle with discipline. Not saying naman na hindi ako disiplinado, but I want to improve on it. I don't want to be lazy. I don't want to work based on motivation only. I want to do things not because I just like it, but because I need to do it and I am disciplined enough to be able to complete it. I struggle with starting if I don't have the motivation, which is not good. Dapat kasi you still start things even if you're not motivated kasi may disiplina ka. Parang umiikot lang sinasabi ko. But yeah, kayo, how do you make yourself disciplined and not rely on motivation when doing things? Yun lang.